Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mo Sweetness the Gypsy here, and we're gonna call today Healthy Monday. So, I stumbled upon this basic healthy recipe by accident. Okay, I ordered this bomb honey from my sister Mother's Finest Farm. She has her own honeybee farm. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just giving my sister unconditional love today because we need to give credit where credit is due, okay? But this is the honey that I ordered from her farm, her honeybee farm, and it's called wildflower honey, okay? And then just simple Greek plain yogurt. So what I did, I took a couple of scoops of Greek yogurt with a scoop of her wildflowered honey, and I kind of melted it a little bit because it's organic, so got a little thickness to it. Stirred it up in my Greek yogurt, put it in the freezer just for a few seconds, to give that little frozen, effect like some ice cream. And let me tell you, it is the bomb diggity. Okay, I'm very particular about like healthy recipes, so this got me, guys. So just try it. Her name is Mother's Finest Family Farm, and you can find her on IG. Okay, get you some of this wildflower honey. It is the bomb diggity. Okay, peace.